Can you make the sound of a lion? It's a big, strong sound, isn't it? That's the R sound. Let's learn how to say it. Want to learn even more letters? Check out our full AZ adventure. It's full of fun surprises. Now back to the R. This is Rory. Rory is a lion cub. He loves to make the R sound. Can you say hello to Rory? Rory is practicing his roars. He rumbles softly. He roars a little louder. Listen closely to Rory's R sound. Hey there! Let's try a tiny roar like Rory. All right, open your mouth wide. Now touch your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Got it? Great! Now let out a little roar. Fantastic! Did you hear that? That was your very own tiny roar. Just like Rory the lion cub, you can make a sound that's both fun and powerful. Now let's break it down step by step. First, take a deep breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs. This will give you the power you need for your roar. Next, open your mouth wide, as if you're about to take a big bite of your favorite food. This helps to create space for the sound to come out clearly. Now, gently place your tongue against the roof of your mouth. This is a crucial step because it helps to shape the sound of your roar. Once your tongue is in place, you're ready to make the sound. Start by making a soft R sound. It might feel a bit strange at first, but keep practicing. As you get more comfortable, try to make the sound a little louder each time. Remember, it's not about being the loudest. It's about having fun and finding your own roar. If you want, you can even add a little growl to your roar. This can make it sound more like a real lion. Just let the sound rumble in your throat. And there you have it. With a bit of practice, you'll be roaring just like Rory. Remember, every lion started with a tiny roar, and so did Rory. So, keep practicing and have fun with it. Your tiny roar is unique to you, and that's what makes it special. Great job, little lion! Now let's try it one more time together. Take a deep breath, open your mouth wide, touch your tongue to the roof of your mouth, and let out a tiny roar. Roar! Amazing! You did it! Keep practicing your tiny roar and soon you'll be roaring with confidence just like Rory. Remember, practice makes perfect. Roar on, little lion! And don't forget, it's not just about the roar, it's about having fun and enjoying the process. So keep smiling, keep roaring, and keep being awesome. Thanks for joining us today. We had a roaring good time. Until next time, keep practicing and remember, you're a mighty little lion. Roar! Bye for now and keep that tiny roar going strong. Rory loves to play in the river. He rolls around in the water. Roar, he says as he splashes. Can you say river with Rory? To make the R sound, roll your tongue. Pretend it's a bouncy ball. Up and down it goes, making the R sound. You're getting so good at this. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the art of rolling that R. It's not just about moving your tongue. It's about creating a rhythm and a flow. Imagine your tongue as a dancer, gracefully moving to the beat of a drum. The tip of your tongue should touch the roof of your mouth just behind your upper teeth. Feel that spot? That's where the magic happens. Now try to push air out while your tongue is in that position. It might feel a bit strange at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. At first it seems impossible, but once you get the hang of it, you never forget. Remember, the key is to keep practicing. Try saying words that start with R, like rabbit, rainbow, and rocket. Notice how your tongue moves each time you say these words. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Another fun way to practice is by making up silly sentences with lots of R sounds. For example, Randy the rabbit ran rapidly around the red rose. Try saying that a few times and see how your tongue dances with each R sound. It's also helpful to listen to others who are good at rolling their R's. Pay attention to how they do it and try to mimic their technique. You can even record yourself and compare it to others. Don't get discouraged if it takes time. Everyone learns at their own pace. The important thing is to keep practicing and have fun with it. Before you know it, you'll be rolling your R's like a pro. So keep at it, and remember, practice makes perfect. Roll that R with confidence and enjoy the process. You're doing an amazing job, and with each practice session, you're getting better and better. Keep smiling and keep rolling that R. Section 8, Rory's Rainbow Race. Look, a rainbow. Rory wants to race towards it. Run, Rory, run, we cheer. Can you say rainbow with us? Section 9, repeat after Rory. Let's practice some R words. Roar, river, rainbow, run. Repeat after Rory. You're a super R star. Section 10, you did it. You learned how to say the R sound. Rory is so proud of you. Give yourself a round of applause. You're a pronunciation pro. This journey wasn't easy, but you persevered. Remember the first time you tried to say the R sound? It felt tricky, didn't it? But look at you now. You've mastered it with grace and determination. Think back to all those practice sessions, the moments of frustration and the times you felt like giving up. Each of those moments was a stepping stone to your success today. Every repetition, every correction, and every effort you put in has paid off. Your hard work and dedication have not gone unnoticed. Your teachers, friends, and family have all seen your progress and are incredibly proud of you. They know how much effort you've put into this, and they celebrate your achievement with you. Learning a new sound is like unlocking a new level in a game. It opens up new possibilities and makes communication so much easier and more fun. Now, you can confidently say words like rabbit, rainbow, and rocket without hesitation. Imagine all the new stories you can read aloud, the songs you can sing, and the conversations you can have with your friends and family. Your new skill will bring you so much joy and confidence in your daily life. Remember, this is just the beginning. There are always new sounds to learn and new challenges to overcome. But with the determination and perseverance you've shown, there's no doubt you'll continue to succeed. So, take a moment to celebrate this victory. You've earned it. Whether it's a high five, a special treat, or just a moment of quiet pride, make sure to acknowledge your hard work and success. Rory and everyone else who has been part of your journey are cheering for you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. The world is full of sounds waiting for you to master. Congratulations once again. You did it! You're a pronunciation pro. And this is just the start of many more achievements to come. Keep shining and keep speaking with confidence. Well done. Section 11. More fun with letters. Learning letters is so much fun. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures. We'll be back with new sounds soon. Bye for now.